Hi, I'm Deanna and I'm here to do a tutorial of the dance Feels Baby, which goes to the song The Feels by Maren. It's a 32 count dance. I have 2 tags in it and 1 restart in it. All right, so we're going to start by walking right, left, right, right, left, right. You're going to swivel both your heels right, center, and do a coaster step, right, left, right. You'll step your left foot forward, half turn over your right shoulder, half turn, and snap your left hands while you hook your right foot. Now you're going to walk again, right, left, right, swivel, swivel, coaster step, step left, quarter touch, left, quarter touch. So I'm now facing my 9 o'clock wall. Let me give you your counts for that section. You're going to walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now we're going to go to our right. We're going to do a large step right, and then slide left foot together, and then do 3 tiny steps right, left, right, right, left, right. All that momentum is going to our right. I'm now going to do a full turn. It's a triple step. So you're going to step left, right, left, but you're making a full turn, chin over my right shoulder, right, left, right, and then behind side cross. Right foot cross behind, left foot steps to the side, and right foot crosses in front. Okay? Let me go over that with your counts. So we slide 1 together, 2, 3, and 4, turn 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Now we're going to step diagonal forward left, touch our right toe. My weight's still on my left foot here. Now I'm going to step my right foot back, flick my left toe, and I'm going to behind side cross toward my right, behind side cross. Now I'm going to tap my right foot to the side, bring it together, left foot step to the side, bring it together, right foot step to the side, and I'm going to do a half turn over my right shoulder and a dance. Okay? So my counts for that section, I came out of behind side cross from the section before, so it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. End of dance. All of the funny business for this dance happens on your 3 o'clock wall. So it just so happens the first tag is after your first wall, so you're facing 3 o'clock. The tag is the same. The first tag though happens twice. So the tag is just a heel split. All right, it's a heel split. And it happens with the snaps. So that happens after your 3rd wall. So you'll do 2 heel splits, restart the dance. It happens later on in the dance. There's a restart. So I don't remember the wall number. It's on my step sheet. But again, you'll be facing your 9 o'clock wall. You'll do your point, turn, and this time you'll just have 1 heel split and restart the dance. So something happens every time you're facing this wall. Or I should say, on your 3 o'clock wall is when all the funny business happens. Another is a restart. So your restart will happen on your 3rd wall. You'll walk right, left, right swivel, swivel, coaster, step, step, left, half hook, walk right, left, right swivel, swivel, coaster, step, step, left, quarter touch. So it happens at 16 counts. I'm again facing my 3 o'clock wall, and then I'll just restart, walk right, left, right swivel, swivel. Okay? So that is all your funny business. I hope you enjoy the dance. I think it goes pretty well, and it's nice, it's pretty easy, and it's fun. So have fun with it. Thanks.